Where is the check-in counter? I'd like to check in. Here is my passport. Do you have any luggage to check? Please place your bag on the scale. Here is your boarding pass. What is my seat number? Your seat is by the window. Your seat is in the aisle. What time does boarding start? What gate is my flight at? Boarding will begin shortly. The flight is on time. The flight is delayed. Please remove your shoes. Open your bag, please. Place your belongings in the tray. Walk through the scanner. When does boarding begin? Boarding has started. Passengers may board now. Final boarding call. The gate is closing. Please proceed to the gate immediately. Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass? This is my seat. Could you help me with my bag? Please fasten your seatbelt. Turn off your phone. The plane is about to take off. Can I change seats? We will be landing shortly. Thank you for flying with us. Please remain seated until the aircraft stops. Follow the signs to baggage claim. May I see your passport? What is the purpose of your visit? Business or pleasure? How long will you stay? What is your occupation? Where is baggage claim? Enjoy your stay. I can't find my suitcase. What does your bag look like? We will contact you. Your luggage has been delayed. Did you collect your bags? This is my suitcase. Thank you for your help. Enjoy your visit.